JC Pounds the Pavement once again in Traverse City. We're at the Workshop Brewing Company. I have Norwegian Sahti, which is a historic Nordic beer brewed with rye malt, juniper berries, and lemongrass. Described as herbal and rich, yet deceptively drinkable. I have no idea what this is, but I'm like, F it, down the hatch. Cheers. That's different. It's weird. It's not an IPA, it's not a lager. It's like somewhere in between. It's almost like a saison, like a fruited beer, you know? I'm confused by it, but it's good. It's kind of sweet. Like I said, it's not lagery. It's a good beer. Cheers.